Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a quick guess what's in the bag video, aka box video. An item I picked up from Amazon. It is an electronic item, a diagnostic item, and or electrical item. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this is going to be a, guess what's in the bag video. It's going to be a quick video. The bag is actually, I'm not really sure why the bag needs to be so big. It feels like the item is this spot right here, where my hand is. This little corner. Everything else feels empty, but I'll use the bags for future stuff. This bag is 11 and 5/8. Oh, no. It's 11 and a quarter inches wide by 15 inches long. Widest point looks like 5/8 thick. What do you guys think is in it? It is should be a test leads or something like that. I could be wrong. I do know it is supposed to be diagnostic stuff. I did get a bunch of packages though. I got some stuff from Lyle. I got some stuff from Electronic Specialist. I got some stuff from Conway and a few other places. But this should be a test lead kit, I think, if I remember correctly. It might be a single item. I don't remember. But in the next video, we'll just take it out of the package. We'll talk about it. We'll look at it. Let's see what packages I did get. Let's see. Open that, those, this. Oh, okay, so this is probably, this should be a Innovations of America product for the excuse me, for the relay tester kit. That's what this should be. But what are your guys' guesses? Just a quick video. Appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video when we unbag it. Peace!